Well, good afternoon. It's Tuesday, the 27th. And I'm showing you this right here so you can read it. But I have not been to any medical facility in about 14 months now. I refuse to. I refuse to submit to any of this tyranny. And my healthcare provider, which I have blocked their telephone number, has this thing called where they would send a home nurse once a year to your house. And they've sent me the literature in the mail. And they have tried to call. That's why I blocked them. They were calling about once a week. Somehow now they can bypass, since I've blocked their number, and still leave a voicemail. About every other day they're wanting me to contact them about a home nurse coming in. And I've been 2 days trying to get a 30-minute video up on BitChutes. And this morning I was at 90%. I mean, BitChutes, come on. How come these other big channels can go right up? And it kept kicking mine out, but I was at 90%. And my phone started beeping and giving loud alerts. And you have to confirm it. There's a way around that. So I just let it go because my phone is my internet, the hotspot. But see right here? They know I haven't had the shot. And this is a public safety alert. Go to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Thursday, the 29th will be the last day. And get your jabby jab. Unreal. Unreal. Buckle up, people. It's going to get crazier and crazier and crazier. But a way around that, anytime it's like a Amber Alert, they want you to confirm it, just kill the power to your phone. And then just completely ignore any text message that you get from it. Don't open it up. Don't acknowledge them. Just like block their number and don't acknowledge their voicemails, which is coming about every other day to my phone now from my healthcare provider. And I know what it's about. They want to come here and give me a free jabby jab. No, thank you. Love y'all. Down the road.